Hey guys, welcome back. Always on display is one of the most wanted feature on OnePlus devices. And in this video, we'll show you how to enable always on display on any smartphone with AMOLED or OLED display, including OnePlus devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here you can see I have my OnePlus 8 which lacks always on display. We still have ambient display options in this, which includes pick a phone to show notification or tap to show notification. But today we have an app which can help you enable always on display on any smartphone device. Link of that app is given in the description below. Huge thanks to developer Domi for this beautiful application. And this application doesn't require root access. There are few advanced settings which require root access. But for the basic use, we don't require root. You can download the application from the description below, and here we have the application, which is called always on. Tapping on the settings, first make sure you give all the necessary permissions, which includes notification access, display over apps, device admin. You can ignore these two settings, which is request root access and root mode. Now talking about this application and how does this always on display works. So in the general settings, you can see we have an option of always on, headphone animation and charging animation. These toggles can be enabled directly from here. After that, we have a section of category in which you can change the settings. From here you can change look and feel of the application. Under watch faces, always on look. So here you can see we have four options. One is Google like style, second is OnePlus like style, third is Samsung like style, and the fourth one is second Samsung like style. You can choose any of these. We'll select second option of Samsung, and after that you can enable time, display the date, display the battery icon. Display music control is still in development phase. After that, if you want any message on your always on display, you can add that message here. Then going to the background, here you can change the hide display cutouts, edge glow, in which all the edges of the screen will glow whenever you have any notification. You can also change the glowing duration. Under rules, we have charging state, where we get three options like show at any charging state, show only while charging, show only while discharging. You can change the battery level, time period and timeout. And if you talk about the behavior of this application, under which one of my favorite mode is pocket mode. So if you have enabled always on display and you put your device inside your pocket, the screen completely turns off. Let me show you that. So right now you can see always on display is working. If I cover the sensor, this screen completely turns off. You can double tap to wake up the screen. We also get few additional settings like power saving mode, which requires root access. So if your device is rooted, you can use this application. And you can also hide the head-up notification. That also requires root. And always on display doesn't work with the adaptive brightness. You can manually change the brightness of the screen or the always on display by going inside the brightness settings. After that, going inside other settings, here we have light mode, and then we have few charging animation, which includes iOS style, flash style or circle style. And I've been testing these applications for a while. Till now I haven't faced any kind of issues. Always on display works great, and for those who are looking for always on display, I recommend them to use this application. So let me show you. Once I turn off the screen, you can see the always on screen. To wake up your screen, just double tap on the screen. So guys, this was a quick look on enabling always on display on any Android device, including OnePlus devices. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.